Today we decided to film a vlog of an unfinished townhouse, and this is a 3-unit townhouse and it's currently up for sale for about 1.2 million. So this is the main floor, and over here you have a washroom with a sink. The reason why I'm showing you this unit is that it's actually a very good rental potential, because the downstairs where I am right now, you just saw the washroom. It also has an additional bedroom which is very sizable here. So this one here, when you come in from this main entrance here, you can actually have this as a bedroom, and the washroom is on your right as I've shown you. So that could be the first rental property right here on the main floor. So let's go up on the staircase. So the staircase is quite a bit longer, but as we go along, it also has a nice picket, which is an upgrade. And here will be the main floor. Very open concept area. So it comes up with the fireplace, and also has a very sizable and big windows facing the road. So that also makes it very attractive, because the sun can actually come in. And what I like about this layout is that you also have a powder room or a washroom right here. So that also helps you if you are in the main floor, so you don't have to go downstairs or even upstairs. Another key feature that I love about this place is another huge kitchen area and a living space. Right now the floors are being done, so you don't have the laminate yet. But here you can see this is a very sizable area as well, where you can actually spend time to use it as a dining and also a kitchen. Another coolest area that I would like to also show you is this place also have a huge balcony. Let's see if we can get there. So it also has a very sizable balcony, and definitely you can actually set up your barbecue or whatever you want to set up here. And I think it's a very good feature, because it gives you an additional 200 square footage of space. So this is still showcasing to you the main living room, and now we are on our way to the 3rd floor. The problem with this area is that it has quite a bit of a staircase. So usually if you are an elderly, it might pose some sort of challenges, but if you're a younger person, I think it shouldn't be a problem. So here we are on the 3rd floor, and it comes with a 3-bedroom unit. So right here is one of the smaller units, or smaller rooms, I would say. It also has a big window, and this is going to be either laminate or carpeted. And additional room is right beside it, and it's also quite spacious, and it has its own closet as well. So the size of the closet is also reasonable. So here gives you an open area before you enter the master bedroom, and the master bedroom actually has 2 doors. So as we come here, you can see this is the master bedroom, and it's also very sizable. And what is unique about the master bedroom is that it also comes with a balcony. So this is the balcony right here, as you can see, and it also gives you an additional 200 square footage. Let's check out the ensuite. So all this is not finished yet, but you can see that it's a stand-up shower. You got some nice towels, and here, so this is the floor area. So it's actually a very long shower. Is about 9 feet on this main floor. And by the way, just to emphasize on it, the main floor has 9 feet, 2nd floor has 9 feet, and then the 3rd floor also has 9 feet. So the last place that I would like to show you is also the master bedroom. Comes with a closet, and it's quite a sizable closet where individual can use as well for their clothing. And I think one additional hidden spot is the main washroom for the other 2 bedrooms. So this is it. It also has a very beautiful tiles, same as the one in the master bedroom. And this one actually have a tub. So if you have little ones, they can actually stand in these and enjoy some water bath or bubble bath. But I think it's a quite unique layout, and for rentals or even if you want to live in it, I think it's really highly recommendable. Another additional part that this place has is that it has a basement as well. So likely it's like a 4th floor. It gives you additional about 400 to 500 square footage down there. So if you have to pack anything or if you want to put anything there, you can definitely do so. So just showcasing to you an unfinished apartment in Canada. And right now, as I said, the price is going for 1.2 million. Is negotiable, but this place is quite spacious and really has a lot of space. I love the staircase. It has all the pickets. So once they sand this and once they put all the stains on it, it's gonna really come out good, and especially with the staircase as well. So let's move on to the main floor again. So this is going downstairs, and as I've mentioned, this is a very good rental potential because of the way when you come in from the main door, as I'm showcasing to you, it leads you to 1 bedroom right here, and right after that 1 bedroom, you also have a washroom right here, which can accommodate 1 tenant or even 2. And let's take a quick step to the basement and let's see how it is. So basement as we go. So this is also a very sizable space. You got all the furnaces, but you still have some room here where you can actually put a sink or a kitchen here, or even a storage area here. And this size here, the good thing is it has a window, so you get natural air coming in. So if you want to put up another, maybe a recreational area or another bedroom or office, it's very easy to do. And here also you have a storage here, which is the cooler room, where you can put your wine or even all your drinks or your groceries. So that's also an additional space. So I think this place is really it's pretty cool for rental potential, and the rental can range from, for this entire house, you can get about $3,000 a month. So if you rent the downstairs alone, you should be able to cash in about $1,200 just on the main floor when you come in, and upstairs you can cash in about $200 or $2,000 plus. So you're looking around about $3,000 to $3,500 a month if you buy these units. And I think for the price that you buy it for, this house can be able to actually run on its own. It's either you break even or you might cash flow. Let's check out the garage quickly. So also you have a 2-car garage, and also you can park one at the front. So basically it will give you 4 car parking. You park 2 inside and you can park 1 and 2 more additional cars. As you can see, 1 is already parked on your right. The left side can also accommodate another one. So I just want to bring you to showcase to you an unfinished apartment or unfinished townhouse in Canada, and currently what the market is dictating. So I think it's a quite interesting. In case if you want to invest, definitely you can invest. And this is just the outside. Yeah. And when you come in, this is where you actually enter from. So I'm gonna end it here, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. So thank you. Make sure you subscribe to help the channel grow.